Whoa, look at this. It's exploding TNT. It's exploding TNT. Look at this. Okay, never mind that. But it's exploding TNT. Two YouTubers together. Techno versus exploding TNT. This is a quick TNT run match. Let's see who wins. Quick match. AKA the most boring match of all time. 3 YouTubers together. Look at him. He has to be part of he has to be a YouTuber. He has to be part YouTuber.
Oh my god!
Well, the bobbing is not happening because it makes me lag horribly. Well, quick match is starting in 3, 2, 1. Oh god, it's starting. Now it's starting. Ooh, exploding TNT trying to cut me off. 1v1v1 YouTuber challenge. Oh god. See, I'm barely lagging now. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Da, 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 da. I probably got Kristen. No, I didn't. And I killed myself. Well, I'm just going to play one more quick match. Just for the Claymore clan. The Techno. No, psych, I hate you. Oh, wait, what? I'm freaking oh, 1v1 YouTuber challenge. No, that's inappropriate. No, that's inappropriate.
Go back to the one that you were playing on the airplane, the black one.
No, that's inappropriate. No, psych, not that. Look at this. No, get away from me! No, get away from me! Get away from me. Look, you gotta go like that. Hold forward at the same time, and then you just like glitch. It probably doesn't work on 2 things, because yeah, I just fell down. Pro gamer is not actually pro, because he doesn't even have an arm. No, get away from me. He just looked at me weird. What happened to his arm? What happened to his arm, guys? Guys, what happened to his arm? Why is his leg moving? Well, luckily I'm playing with you guys. 1v1. If I win this, if I get ahead of him, his name is... Oh, God, I can't see his name. His name is... It's Blue. No, not actually. But I just can't see his name. Lucas Storm. Technostorm. That's going to be my next name.
Play the one with the airplane that you were just playing.
Why? Because you're playing it? I can't join the same server.
Why?
Well, I'm just gonna be running around the Rosie. I'm just gonna be running around the Rosie. This is way too easy. This is just yeah, I probably won the YouTuber challenge. Yeah, won the YouTuber challenge. Quick video, see y'all later. Bye. Hold up, YouTuber challenge. See ya.